Use sanded grout size to the joint width and a latex additive to form a durable, water-resistant seal between laundry room tiles. For a reliable joint fill, start by selecting grout matched to your tile type and joint width. Choose sanded grout for joints wider than 3/32 of an inch and unsanded for narrower gaps. Mix to a peanut butter consistency using only clean water or a manufacturer-recommended latex additive to improve flexibility and water resistance while avoiding overly wet mixes that shrink. Work in small sections and use a hard rubber grout float held at a 45-degree angle to press the grout fully into the joints, dragging diagonally across tiles so you do not pull grout out of the gap. Compact the grout by pressing firmly and then immediately use a damp sponge with frequent rinses to remove haze without gouging the joints. Change the sponge water often so you are not smearing slurry back into the seams. After the grout starts to firm up, but before it fully cures, use a rounded grout finishing tool or a damp finger to slightly compress and shape the joint for optimal water shedding and consistent appearance. Allow the grout to cure for the maker specified time, usually 24 to 48 hours, then apply a penetrating grout sealer if the area will see frequent moisture. Common mistakes are using the wrong grout type, which leads to cracking or poor adhesion. Fix this by measuring joint width before purchase and switching to sanded grout for wider joints. Another issue is underpacking joints, which lets water infiltrate the subfloor. Solve that by compacting grout firmly with a float and inspecting from multiple angles to ensure full fill. A third frequent problem is excessive cleaning water during finishing that dilutes grout in the joint. Prevent that by rinsing sponges in clean water frequently and using only a lightly damp sponge for final cleanup. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide practical project guidance like this for tile fitting. We also host an active discussion community where users and contractors share tips and experiences, and we help contractors find work while helping homeowners find qualified pros.